Hi there, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Equalizer Weight Distribution Shank. This shank is going to slide into your 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch trailer hitch receiver, and it's going to provide that attachment point for your weight distribution system's head assembly. Now, because this is a 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch shank, it is going to fit snugly into your trailer hitch receiver. So if you've had a 2-inch shank that you've been using a adapter sleeve to make it fit with your 2.5 inch hitch, this is going to be a much better option for you. It's going to reduce the amount of movement inside your hitch, which causes noise as you're going down the road. So it's going to be much smoother, sturdier, less noise, and it's going to make it much easier to get this aligned because you're not going to have to worry about trying to line up that adapter sleeve as well as the holes for your shank. So it's going to be a big improvement for those of you who are used to having that adapter sleeve. This is designed to be used with your Equalizer weight distribution systems, but because most of your weight distribution system shanks are spaced the same, you can use this with other weight distribution systems. You just want to make sure that all the weight capacities match up and you're not overtaxing any one component of your system. This is a dipped steel construction, so it's going to be a very solid, sturdy piece for you. It's going to resist corrosion. As far as our weight capacities go, it's going to have a 1,600 pound max tongue weight, which is the downward pressure on your shank here and the receiver tube of your hitch. It's going to have a maximum gross towing weight of 16,000 pounds. So a very sturdy, strong option for you there. Now, obviously, one of the main features up front is our adjustability here. So this is going to allow you to position that weight distribution head in different positions so that you're making sure that it's nice and level with your trailer, so you can get your trailer and your tow vehicle level, which is always important when you're towing. We are going to have 6 adjustment holes here. All these holes are spaced 1 1/4 of an inch apart from center to center. So it's going to give us a total height adjustment along the shank of 6 1/4 of an inch. Now, this can be used in the drop position like we have it here. That is going to give us a 4-inch drop. We can also turn this over and use it in the rise position, like so. That's going to give us an 8-inch rise. Now, when I'm talking about those rise and drops, you measure that, or we measure that from the top inside edge of your hitch receiver tube up to where the base of the hitch ball will rest. So obviously, since I don't have a head here, I can't show you exactly those measurements, but it is going to give you about an 8-inch rise and a 4-inch drops. And so it's going to give you a lot of adjustment and make sure that your trailer is going to be sitting level with your vehicle. Our overall height here, if we measure from the base up to the top side there, it's right about 9.5 inches, as you can see. Our overall length from the front to the back, we're at right at 12 inches. From the center of our hitch pin hole here, which, by the way, is your standard 5/8 inch hitch pin hole. The hitch pin and clip do not come with this. If you don't already have one, you can pick some up here at Etrailer.com. We also have locking options to make sure that your shank stays in your hitch even when you're not around your vehicle. But from the center of that hitch pin hole to the center of our adjustment holes here, we're looking at right about 8 inches. From the center of our hitch pin hole to the front of our shank here, we're at right at 9 inches. From the center of our hitch pin hole to the back side of our shank, it's right at 7 inches. So make sure that that's going to work for your setup. This is made here in the USA, so you can trust that it's made to the high quality standards that we've come to know and trust for products made here in the US. So I think this is going to be a great option for those of you who have a weight distribution system and that 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch hitch receiver. It's going to make it a nice, snug, smooth connection for you there and still give you the adjustability to make sure that your trailer is level. So that's going to complete our look for today. Again, I'm Michael with Etrailer.com. Thanks for watching.